Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom brush in Krita. First, open Krita and select any existing brush preset from the brush presets docker. Krita requires you to start from a base brush, so pick one that's close to what you want. Then press F5 to open the brush editor. Inside the brush editor, go to the brush tip section. Choose if you want a simple round brush or a square one. Then adjust the size and spacing here. If you want a textured or stamped look, you can choose a different predefined brush tip or adjust auto spacing for more control. Next, move to the size setting. Enable pressure sensitivity if you're using a drawing tablet, so the brush changes thickness based on how hard you press. You can edit the curve to control how dramatic that size change feels. Then adjust opacity and flow if needed. Turning on pen pressure for opacity gives a more natural paint-like feel. If you want added texture, enable the pattern setting under textures and tweak the strength slider. Once your brush behaves the way you want it, click Save New Brush Preset at the top of the brush editor. Do not choose Overwrite Brush Preset, or this will replace your selected base brush. Give your brush a unique name and confirm. This creates a brand new preset without overwriting the original. Now your custom brush will appear in the Brush Presets panel and can be used anytime. And that's how you make a custom brush in Krita. Thanks for watching.